for giving us an opportunity to introduce us to everyone. I hope that you can know more about us through this introduction. Sheng Bags and Design Limited is a professional bags manufacturer with 11 years of experience and equipped with a strict quality control system, which has passed BSCI and ISO 9001 certification. Our major business is producing the bags according to customers' request. Our factory is located in Shenzhen, China, covering an area of 3,000 square meters. The sales departments are located in China and Vietnam. Our professional salesmen serve our customers all over the world every day and promote our products. The R&D department is in Shenzhen. We design and improve more than 100 styles every year for customers, so that customers are able to achieve perfect results in every detail. In terms of production, we have 100 employees and a group of experienced and skilled workers to ensure the high-quality products that we provide to customers. We have a full set of production lines for screen printing, sublimation printing, sewing, embroidery and packaging. Our existing customers from Europe, Southeast Asia and Middle East countries. Since the company started, we have produced more than 1,000 styles of bags, including food delivery bags and pizza delivery bags, backpack, school bag, and many other bags. Based on different styles, our monthly production capacity reaches 20,000 to 60,000 bags. We use a variety of materials and different processes to help customers produce goods, from PVC to polyester, from canvas to cotton, from technical screen printing to sublimation printing, from high frequency to embroidery. Customers give us 100% good comment every time once they receive the goods. In 2021, we just set up a 3,000 square meters production line in Hunan with 100 employees. The initial production volume is expected to reach 10,000 food delivery bags or 20,000 pizza bags. By the end of 2021, the expected production volume will be comparable to that in Shenzhen factory. Through years of production management, we have accumulated rich experience. The professional production and service team can provide customers with high-quality products. On the basis of mutual benefit, we sincerely hope to establish a long-term and stable business relationship with you. Thank you for attention.